Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Dogecoin video update. Now we're looking at Dogecoin trying to pump all the time, man. That's pretty sweet. I know it's pretty sweet, but at the moment you do have this pattern right here. It's almost like you went you have this curved bottom right there, but you're still not breaking out of the neckline, unfortunately. So what I'm going to do is diving into the daily time frame right there, and yep, we're trying to get above it. We're really trying to get above that particular resistance. If I actually bring what do you call this, I want to see if the volume is increasing. Now there's a little bit of a decent volume, not a very bad volume, but you can see it's quite decent volume at the moment. But unfortunately volume is good, it's decent, but you're still not breaking it. What I want to see is a clear bullish closing on the daily, maybe move up to 8946. And let's actually not forget that there are two key resistance right now, so that's gonna be number one. And this is actually quite tricky. Okay, so you have second resistance right there as well. Okay, so this is the second resistance. So you might just pump here and get rejected because this is a supply zone. You have rejection right there, rejection 2, 3, 4 rejection here, 6, 7 rejection there, and you could actually find another rejection thinking that it broke out of here, but that's not going to be a legit breakout, and then you move down. So yeah, then one thing is very clear: we need to get above and go up to 94, back test the 94, the 86, hold the 86, and then we're going to move up to 0.11. And that's pretty much it for this quick Dogecoin update. Be careful, if you get rejected, then boom, from there it's all the way down. And I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.